In this video, we're going to apply the double angle formula to solve these trig equations, given the domain or the range for x. The values of x are from minus pi to pi. So the minus pi is included, pi is not included. So I'm going to apply the double angle formula to this. So I'm going to have sine 2x is equal to 2 sine s cos x. So this is the double angle formula. So then I'm going to substitute this into the equation. So I'm going to have 2 sine x cos x is equal to sine x. Now, I know you will be tempted to just cancel out this, but you shouldn't do that because you can have more than two solutions for this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this to the left hand side. So I'm going to have 2 sine s cos x minus sine x is equal to 0. Then I'm going to factor out sine s. So I'm going to have sine x into 2 cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. So either this or this would be equal to 0. So we're going to have sine x is equal to 0, or cos 2 cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now from here you can see that x, we can have the range of values of s for x within the range where sine x will be equal to 0. So I'm going to take a look at the graph of sine s. So this is the graph of sine x. So on this, we're going to look at the point where sine s would be 0. So have sine s to be 0 at this point, at this point, at this point, at this point, at this point. So, but we have to consider the domain. The domain is between minus pi is less than equal to s, and s is less than pi. So it means that pi will be out of the domain. So the values of pi of x as sine s will not be up to pi. So what we'll have there, so it means that the solution x would be equal to minus pi and x will be equal to 0. So these are the two solutions for sine s. Then next we have to take a look at this and solve for this. So I'm going to have this 2 cos x will then be equal to 1, and cos x will be equal to 1 over 2. So from this, let me just take this up this way. The range of values of s is given here to be minus pi x and this. So the x will be arc cos 1 over 2, and that would be equal to 60 degrees or pi over 3 radians. So here you're going to take a look at the sign of the graph of cosine. So this is the graph of cos x, and this is pi over minus pi over 2, and this is pi over 2. So pi over 3 would be just between 0 and pi over 2. So if we take pi over 2 to be at this point, then for symmetry you just trace this backward, so we'll have another value there. So it therefore means that the value of cos s of s for this to be true would be pi over 3 and x equals minus pi over 3. So the solution for these equations would then be s is equal to minus pi, 0, and pi over 3 and minus pi over 3. So these are the four solutions to the problem. Thank you for watching.